I'm Nicholas Haas with Newton Static. When your robot arrives, it'll come in many different parts. In order to assemble your robot with expediency and efficiency, it is important to have an organized work surface. The best way to organize parts is to put them in groups of like parts in easily accessible places around your work surface. As an example, I'll lay the parts out for this robot kit on this work surface. Perhaps the most useful you have at your disposal to organize your parts efficiently is the Robot Gladiator League manual. The parts of the robot are divided up by color based on which assembly they belong to. Red is for power, gray and black are for the chassis, green is for the airflow, and blue is for the control.